I wouldn't say I have much experience with like being in the Scrum world in terms of like professional experience. However, I would say that I've kind of taken the role as like a servant leader in different aspects of my life, which has like gained an interest from me in terms of Scrum, just because I really do love helping people achieve something in like every aspect of life. I really like this program because it's been able to give me like practical hands-on experience with tools such as Jira and Mural, which has served as like being really useful things to me, not only with this program, but also like even in school. I'm using Mural for basically everything that I need to do now. I also have really great guidance from instructors who have experience in the Scrum world and know how to maneuver different situations. So like the type of questions I'm able to ask to you guys has been really helpful because it gives me like a better understanding of what I'll need to do in the future in case something happens. And I also really enjoy all the teammates that I have on this team because we all, are really goal oriented and we're really putting in the work to make this happen. And I can see that, everyone's going to be able to become like great scrum masters on this team, just as our team purpose is. So those are the things that I really love about this program and our team. And I do want to say thank you to everybody too, for like our effort, our time, our energy. I really appreciate it and I'm grateful for it.
Thank you.